Have you ever wanted to trade but don't have time to watch the markets all day? Now, what if I told you your trades could keep running while you're in meetings, on vacation, or even picking up your kids from school? Now, most people imagine trading like this, staring at multiple monitors, following every single market tick and making split decisions in the heat of the moment. But let's be honest, for busy professionals or even part-time investors, that's not really realistic. Now, time is the biggest barrier. By the time you check the market, sometimes the opportunity might have already gone and you would have to wait for the next day or even sometimes the next week, depending on the sort of trader you are. Now, what is the solution, I hear you ask? This is where copy trading changes everything. Okay, now instead of trading for yourself, you simply follow experienced traders. Their trades are automatically mirrored in your account. That's 24/7 without you needing to watch the charts. Now, what you can do is you can set your budget starting from as little as $50. You choose the trades that match your risk appetite. What this means is the system handles everything in the background. Whether you check once a day, once a week, you're literally still in control regardless. Now, you can pause, adjust, or stop copying anytime. Now, if you've got a busy schedule but still want to participate in the markets, copy trading could be a game changer. Right now, PU Prime is running the copy and earn promotion. You follow a signal provider's trade for at least 1 week, that's 7 days, and you can claim up to $20 deposit rebate vouchers. Promotion runs from the 1st of August to the 30th of September 2025. Now, if you like this video, do me a big favor, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, press that bell to be notified of my next video. But for now, peace.